Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 3, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. India has permitted which state to fly drones for experimental delivery of COVID-19 vaccines? Answer: Telangana. The Civil Aviation Minister on Friday permitted the Telangana government to use drones for experimental delivery of vaccine with the visual line of sight. Second question. Who became the first batsman to score 50-50 in IPL? Answer: David Warner. Sunrise Hyderabad skipper David Warner has become the first batsman to score 50-50s in the Indian Premier League history. Warner achieved the milestone against Chennai Super Kings at the Arun Jaitley Stadium, Delhi on Wednesday. Third question. Which bank has launched Shwas and Arog loan schemes? Answer: Sidbi Bank. Sidbi Bank launches Shwas and Arog loan scheme for MSMEs for COVID purposes. The Small Industries Development Bank of India has launched two loan products for MSMEs to help them. Fourth question. Where did the joint military exercise Defender Europe 21 begin? Answer: Albania. Albania is playing a crucial part in the Defender Europe 21 exercise with joint logistics over the shore operation taking place for the first time in Europe since World War II at the port of Doros, Skora said on online briefing. Fifth question. Who has inaugurated the National Kharif Conference 2021? Answer: Narendra Singh Tomar. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Sri Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated the National Conference on Agriculture for Kharif campaign 2021 on 30th April 2021. Sixth question. Which state government started Corona Warrior Scheme recently? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, the state government has launched the Corona Warrior Scheme. The government will take the responsibility of family members of health workers who have passed away while on corona duty. Their families will be given honorarium of Rs 50 lakhs by the government. Seventh question. Which commission has launched a special WhatsApp helpline number for pregnant women? Answer: NCW. The National Commission for Women has launched a WhatsApp helpline number for providing medical assistance to expectant mothers from across the country. Eighth question. When is World Press Freedom Day celebrated? Answer: May 3rd. World Press Freedom Day is a day of support for media which targets the restraint or abolition of press freedom. It is also day of remembrance of those journalists who lost their lives in the pursuit of a story. Ninth question. Where will ICC World Test Championship final takes place? Answer: Hampshire's Bowl. Hampshire's Bowl in Southampton, England will be hosting the inaugural ICC World Test Championship final. 10th question. Niti Aayog is ready to fund $4.6 billion in which sector? Answer: electronic vehicle. India plans to offer $4.6 billion in incentives to companies setting up advanced battery manufacturing facilities as it seeks to promote the use of electric vehicle and cut down its dependence on oil, according to government proposal seen by Reuters. 11th question. Which country has announced their cessation of coal production by 2049? Answer: Poland. With the pledge, Poland can meet EU climate goals by 2050. Poland's government and union signed an agreement with coal mining industry on Wednesday to phase out coal production by 2049. 12th question. Which state receives the first dose of Russia's Sputnik vaccine? Answer: Hyderabad. The first batch of Russia's corona vaccine Sputnik 5 has arrived in Hyderabad. A number of states also launched the third phase of nationwide vaccine drive on Saturday, inoculating those aged between 18 and 45. 13th question. Name the freedom fighter from Maharashtra who died recently. Answer: Ashatai Patre. Ashatai Patre, a freedom fighter from Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra, passed away today. She was 100 years old. She had participated in Quit India movement started by Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi in 1942 at Sangli and Pune. 14th question. Which company has acquired delivery startup Daily Joy? Answer: Lenskart. The eyewear startup Lenskart has recently entered the Unicorn Club last year and now acquired Hyderabad-based delivery startup Daily Joy to boost its technology stack, expertise, and engineering capability to operate seamlessly. 15th question. Which state has planned to provide 10 lakh tap water connection in FY22? Answer: Gujarat. In 2021-2022, the state plans to provide 10 lakh tap water connection in rural areas of state. During 2020-21, Gujarat received the Performance Incentives grant of Rs 100 crore under the JJM for better performance.